is that smell?
I think it might be my lotion.
Who's the manufacturer?
It says FMI. What's that?
Oh, I was just checking out their website. They're a fragrance and skincare manufacturing business.
What tools do you guys use to fix formulas that go wrong?
Typically, we look into the ingredients or the procedure of how to make the mix, and then we have different ways to mix, heat, and put all the ingredients together here in the lab.
There's someone in the testing room who's not supposed to be there.
What are you waiting for? Go get them!
We saw a mistake in the batch and we don't understand what happened, but now it smells terrible.
What's wrong with the batch?
Well, we were doing the temperature test where we melted it hot and cold to mix the chemicals together, and then it started smelling awful.
So what does this mean?
We have a saboteur.
What's this? Shut down the mixer!
How do you know or have the education to work in this area?
Well, you don't need a college education, but it does help. You just need a chemical or mechanical background.
Okay, thank you.
What did you see?
I saw a stink bug in the bucket.
How consistent are you with your process here?
We have a great quality team and great training, so we make sure that that's our number one priority, is to get great stuff out of the lines.
What's your favorite part of the job?
My favorite part about maintenance, it's never a dull moment. You're always learning something. It's very rewarding. Wait, that's Dr. B.O.
Hey, isn't that stinky bottle from earlier?
It's peeling off.
What? This bottle isn't even from FMI.
One of our core values at FMI is we are relentless and thoughtful to find the solution. Why don't we brainstorm on different ideas to stop Mrs. Beal?
Down to the fire extinguisher.
We could put her in a cage.
You spray it with one of your amazing sprays.
Ah, I think that's a great idea. These are all great ideas. See how we build on each other? Here we go.
It's Dr. B.O.
Dr. B.O., you will not sabotage our products.
No!
Got her!
Yeah!